Alright, so we're in the Kawasaki tent right now, and this is the Kawasaki Z series. We got the Ninja Z650, the Z900. Check that out. Look how nice this thing looks. That's pretty cool. Comes with the helmet holder. That's awesome. The Z650 RS. Cafe Racer. 2 cylinders. Z900 RS. This is the Z900, just the regular. Wow. And this is the new Z500 here. Actually looks really cool. Check it out. Not bad. Full digital screen. This is the ZX-4RR. Then we got the big boy here. Look at that. 1440 cc's. So what do y'all think about the new color scheme for Kawasaki? I think it looks awesome. It definitely stands out for sure. So here, this is the ZX-10R.
Did you enter our Kawasaki contest yet?
I did, yep. Thank you. And then we got the big boy here, the king. I actually haven't heard of this one yet. 2024 W800.
Okay.
It's pretty cool. And here we have all of the new hybrid Kawasaki motorcycles. Now this is pretty crazy because I don't think I've seen this from any other manufacturer, although I haven't really been paying that much attention. But this is crazy. They're all EVs. Yeah, look, and they have a whole lineup, multiple bikes. I mean, Kawasaki is really killing it this year. They have one of the largest selections of all kinds of bikes, dirt bikes, motorcycles, mini bikes, classic looking retro bikes. It's quite impressive. So hope you guys are enjoying this. E1. And this is the new ZX-4RR. This is a 4-cylinder 400cc bike, which is pretty crazy. It's basically one of a kind, and I heard these things are not to be underestimated, especially when it comes to it being a track bike. I mean, look at that. That's a $10,000 400cc bike. It is pretty impressive. It looks really nice. Full digital screen. Obviously, the 4 cylinders. Yeah, you can't really go wrong.
You get some sunglasses.
All right, and then here we got the new KLX lineup, the 110, the 140 RF. The 110 is around $3,000. The 140, 4,200. The 230R. The thing looks like it would do really good off-road. This one about $5,000. That's not bad. KLX 300. Enduro style. What do we got here? And then the KLX 300 SM. That's pretty cool. Street tires. Nice. So this must be an all-new bike, Eliminator. I mean, just because I haven't heard of it doesn't mean anything, but looks pretty cool. Looks like a comfortable bike. Nice. Holy shit.